All right, one of the new features that Windows 11's come out with is what we call quick machine recovery, something that kind of does it in the background for you. So to do that, we're going to have to go to Start Menu. Now you can get to the Start Menu many different ways, hitting the Windows logo, I key at the exact same time. You can go here and be able to select settings from there, or you can right click here and actually go to settings right here. Now once you go to settings, I want you to go to System. When you go to System, come down here, and what you're looking for is these recovery features. Okay, so you're going to go in Recovery, and what you're going to look for is Quick Machine Recovery. Now, you're going to need it enabled. You may have another option there that I don't. I'm actually using Windows 11 Pro. So I'm going to enable this, and I'm going to enable this. And another thing I'm going to enable is if they don't find a solution, I want it to go back out. The recommended time is normally 30 minutes. All right. So basically, here's what's going to happen. If your machine refuses to start, has an issue starting, it will send this information to Microsoft. Microsoft will evaluate the logs. They will try to see if they can send back a fix for it, and it will attempt to fix it. All right. Now, if it doesn't find anything, you can have it set it where it'll go out every 30 minutes. I think it's up to 12 hours. And hopefully this will help fix it. This is instead of us going and doing it manually, this does it in the background for us, helping us. Hopefully this has been a helpful video, and continue to watch. We're going to be coming up with more in the near future.